Discovering America. Top 10 cities to explore in the United States. The United States is a vast and diverse country, boasting a tapestry of cities that cater to every taste and interest. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or a foodie, there's a city for you. Let's embark on a journey to explore the top 10 cities in the U.S. in simple, plain English. 1. New York City, the Big Apple buzz. New York City, or the Big Apple, is a bustling metropolis that never sleeps. From the iconic Times Square to the serene Central Park, there's something for everyone. Take a stroll through neighborhoods like Brooklyn or Harlem, catch a Broadway show, or marvel at the skyline from the top of the Empire State Building. New York City is a melting pot of cultures, offering a little bit of everything. 2. San Francisco, Bay Area beauty. Known for the Golden Gate Bridge and its charming cable cars, San Francisco is a gem on the West Coast. Explore the historic Alcatraz Island, meander through the vibrant Chinatown, or simply enjoy the breathtaking views from Twin Peaks. With its hilly streets and eclectic neighborhoods, San Francisco is a city that captures the heart. 3. New Orleans, jazz and Creole flavor. New Orleans, with its lively jazz scene and rich Creole culture, is a city like no other. Stroll down the historic French Quarter, indulge in beignets and gumbo, and let the vibrant music fill the air. Don't miss the festive atmosphere of Bourbon Street, especially during Mardi Gras. New Orleans is a soulful city that embraces celebration and diversity. 4. Chicago, Windy City Wonders. Situated on the shores of Lake Michigan, Chicago is famous for its architecture, deep dish pizza, and the iconic Navy Pier. Take an architectural boat tour along the Chicago River, explore Millennium Park with the famous bean sculpture, or catch a game at Wrigley Field. Chicago's friendly vibe and cultural attractions make it a must-visit destination. 5. Los Angeles, glamour and sunshine. Known as the entertainment capital of the world, Los Angeles is synonymous with Hollywood glamour. Walk along the Hollywood Walk of Fame, relax on the iconic Santa Monica Pier, or hike to the Hollywood sign. With its sunny weather and diverse neighborhoods like Beverly Hills and Venice Beach, Los Angeles offers a mix of relaxation and star-studded excitement. 6. Washington, D.C., capital of history. For history enthusiasts, Washington, D.C. is a treasure trove of monuments and museums. Explore the National Mall, home to the Lincoln Memorial and the Washington Monument. Visit the Smithsonian Museums, tour the U.S. Capitol, and take a moment at the solemn Vietnam Veterans Memorial. Washington, D.C. is where history comes to life. 7. Las Vegas, neon lights and entertainment extravaganza. If you're seeking excitement and entertainment, Las Vegas is the place to be. Known for its vibrant nightlife, world-class shows, and, of course, the famous Strip, Vegas is a playground for adults. Try your luck at the casinos, catch a dazzling performance, or simply soak in the electrifying atmosphere. Las Vegas is a city that thrives on spectacle and glitz. 8. Austin, live music capital. For music lovers and those who appreciate a laid-back vibe, Austin, Texas, is a hidden gem. As the self-proclaimed live music capital of the world, Austin hosts numerous festivals and has a thriving music scene. Enjoy the cool tunes on 6th Street, explore the outdoor activities along Lady Bird Lake, and savor the Tex-Mex cuisine. Austin's friendly spirit and diverse culture make it a standout destination. 9. Miami, sun, sand, and Latin flair. Miami is a vibrant city that blends sun-soaked beaches with a touch of Latin flavor. Explore the colorful neighborhoods of Little Havana and Wynwood, relax on the famous South Beach, and experience the lively nightlife of Ocean Drive. Miami's art scene, diverse cuisine, and tropical vibes create a unique atmosphere that appeals to all types of travelers. 10. Seattle, Emerald City charm. Nestled in the Pacific Northwest, Seattle is surrounded by stunning natural beauty. Admire the iconic Space Needle, explore the bustling Pike Place Market, and take a ferry to Bainbridge Island for breathtaking views of the city. With its coffee culture, diverse neighborhoods, and proximity to nature, Seattle offers a refreshing blend of urban and outdoor experiences. The United States is a vast mosaic of cities, each with its own distinctive charm and allure. Whether you're drawn to the bright lights of New York City, the laid-back atmosphere of Austin, or the historical richness of Washington, D.C., there's a city that suits every traveler's taste. Pack your bags and embark on an adventure to discover the diverse wonders of these top 10 cities in the U.S. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks.